Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this big isosceles triangle ABC along with this segment AD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this segment AD length is equal to this side AB length. In other words, this yellow shaded triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle as well. And moreover, this angle CAD is 33 degrees. Whereas this angle ACD is being represented by X. And bear in mind that this side AC length equal to this side BC length. And now our task is to find the value of this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this yellow shaded triangle ABD. And we can see that this is an isosceles triangle since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore we conclude that this angle must be congruent to this angle. So therefore if I label this angle as alpha, then this angle has got to be alpha as well. And I'm going to label this angle as our angle beta. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore we conclude that all these interior angles alpha, alpha and beta, if we add them, that must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore we could write angle alpha plus angle alpha plus angle beta must be equal to 180 degrees. Let's combine like terms. So we got 2 times alpha plus beta must be equal to 180 degrees. And now I'm going to move this 2 times alpha on the other side to isolate angle beta. So therefore our angle beta must be equal to 180 degrees minus 2 times alpha. So therefore we conclude that this angle beta must be equal to 180 degrees minus 2 times alpha. So thus this angle BAD turns out to be 180 degrees minus 2 times alpha. And now let's focus on this whole angle BAC. That is the sum of these two individual angles, this angle and this angle 33 degrees. Let's go ahead and add these two angles. If I write down 180 degrees minus 2 times alpha plus 33 degrees. Let's combine the like term. That is going to give us 213 degrees minus 2 times alpha. So therefore we conclude that this whole angle BAC turns out to be 213 degrees minus 2 times alpha. And now we are going to focus on this big isosceles triangle ABC. And we know this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore we conclude that this angle is going to be congruent to this angle. We know this whole angle A is 213 degrees minus 2 times alpha, and this is our angle alpha. So therefore we can equate them. We can write down angle alpha equals to 213 degrees minus 2 times alpha. And now I'm going to add 2 times alpha on both sides. And here we can see this is gone. So therefore we are ended up with 3 times alpha equals to 213 degrees. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to isolate angle alpha. So therefore our angle alpha turns out to be equal to 71 degrees. So thus this angle alpha simply turns out to be 71 degrees. And since this angle is congruent to this whole angle, so this angle has got to be 71 degrees as well. And now let's recall this crucial theorem once again, the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore, the sum of all these three interior angles, x, 71 degrees, and 71 degrees must be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, we could write angle x plus 71 degrees plus likewise 71 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Let's combine the like terms. So we got angle x plus 142 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And now I'm going to subtract 142 degrees from both sides to isolate angle x. And here we can see this is gone. So therefore our angle x value simply turns out to be 38 degrees. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the angle x value simply turns out to be 38 degrees. In other words, this angle x value turns out to be 38 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.